Welcome to the Smart Techy channel, where we uncover the latest advancements in healthcare and life sciences, diving deep into Intel's Geti platform and its groundbreaking impact on real-time nerve detection in Samsung ultrasound systems. The computer vision AI platform's intuitive user interface enabled a small group of doctors to annotate tens of thousands of images in just a few weeks before handing them off to the AI engineering team. NerveTrack owes its accuracy and speed to AI models developed through a collaborative process between doctors and AI engineers. Training of NerveTrack's deep learning inference models requires thousands of annotated ultrasound reference images. The image annotation process is best performed by doctors with years of medical training and experience in identifying the small, elusive nerve structures. However, it can be difficult and time-consuming for those doctors, partly because annotation tools and methods are typically designed for computer engineers and data scientists who ultimately use the images to train the models. To improve the annotation and modeling workflow and collaboration between the teams, Samsung Medicine worked with the Intel Platform. The computer vision AI platform's intuitive user interface enabled a small group of doctors to annotate tens of thousands of images in just a few weeks prior to handing them off to the AI engineer team for model training. Samsung Medicine, a global manufacturer of medical equipment, developed NerveTrack as a real-time assistant for doctors who administer ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia (UGRA) and pain management using the company's high-resolution ultrasound machines. Anesthesiologists and other medical specialists watch the ultrasound display as they place their syringes at the nerve location, and NerveTrack helps the doctors to identify the nerve structures more quickly and accurately. The NerveTrack model is powered by deep learning inference models that enable the system to identify nerve structures in real time. Initially, NerveTrack's custom AI inference model was trained to detect nerves only in the wrist. To broaden its application, Samsung Medicine focused next on expanding its capabilities so an AI inference model could also identify peripheral nerve structures in the elbow, shoulder, and neck. Peripheral nerves are especially difficult to detect because they are very small and thin. Noise or artifacts in an ultrasound image can mask the nerve itself. Nerves don't all look alike, which makes it critically important during the image annotation process to rely on the expertise of anesthesiologists and neurologists to identify nerves in a wide variety of images. Without the annotations, a deep learning-based AI model might not identify the nerves correctly or differentiate the tiny, organic structures from noise in the image. Nerves can also move relative to other structures in the body, so the ultrasound images are typically captured as a series of video frames. Due to the small size, complexity, and variability of the nerve structures, Samsung Medicine needed hundreds of thousands of ultrasound images to be annotated as references to train each NerveTrack model. AI engineers are not able to annotate the images themselves, however, as these computer experts lack deep knowledge of human anatomy. Instead, the annotations must be made by medical experts, such as anesthesiologists, neurosurgeons, and other clinicians, whose years of study and experience enable them to recognize and identify the nerve structures accurately. A key challenge for Samsung Medicine's expansion of the NerveTrack application was to find time with the busy doctors and specialists who possess the needed expertise for image annotation. Because of the challenges faced in developing the initial version of NerveTrack, Samsung Medicine started exploring other solutions that could streamline and simplify the annotation process. For the next round of annotations, the medical equipment manufacturer turned to Intel's intuitive, easy-to-use IntelGetiPlatform. Intel provided Samsung Medicine with early access to the IntelGetiPlatform to help simplify the annotation process for the development of their second version of NerveTrack inference models. Samsung Medicine began by testing the new IntelGetiPlatform-enabled annotation process on a limited dataset of only 13 ultrasound images for a proof of concept. Several medical experts participated in the successful proof of concept and found the Geti platform to be intuitive and easy to use with its point-and-click graphical user interface and AI-enabled annotation assistance. Scaling the Geti platform across hospitals and providers. Satisfied with the test results, Samsung Medicine moved forward with the Geti platform to collect tens of thousands of new annotations in only 2 months. Scaling the Geti platform across hospitals and providers. Satisfied with the test results, Samsung Medicine moved forward with the Geti platform to collect tens of thousands of new annotations in only 2 months. The final data set of annotated images of nerve structures in the elbow, shoulder, and neck were then sorted and processed by Samsung Medicine's AI engineers and programmers to create the reference image database for the deep learning framework. That framework was used to train the second phase of the nerve track model and develop its AI inference engine for those nerve sites. Using the Intel distribution of OpenVINO toolkit, the model was optimized for the Intel Core i3 processor that runs nerve track on the targeted ultrasound machine. With support from the Intel distribution of OpenVINO toolkit, these new nerve track models will be deployed to Samsung Medicine's high-resolution ultrasound machines following approval by regulatory agencies. To train and deploy the nerve track models for the elbow, shoulder, and neck, Samsung Medicine leveraged several Intel technologies in an 8-step process. 1. Obtain ultrasound images and videos. 2. Create an individual Geti platform project for each part of the body. 3. Recruit medical experts to annotate small sample data sets by hand with platform. 4. Train individual models with the Geti platform. 5. Use the Geti platform's active learning feature for AI annotation predictions to annotate remaining image data. 6. Consolidate all datasets from each project in all hospitals using a REST API and train models with a consolidated dataset. 7. Optimize and deploy the models using the Intel distribution of OpenVINO toolkit. 8. Incorporate the new models into nerve track. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this journey of healthcare and life sciences innovation, exploring the remarkable potential of Intel's Geti platform in enabling real-time nerve detection in Samsung Ultrasound systems. Your support and engagement inspire us to continue sharing cutting-edge knowledge and advancements. Thank you for being a part of our channel on the latest AI knowledge sharing.